Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you're well. Today I'm going to do kind of like a demo of the of the YSL All Hours foundation, which is kind of new to me in my makeup stash. I bought it recently and I'm absolutely loving it. So I'm going to do a demo and kind of like a mini review as I'm doing the demo, just talk you through it. But you can see a full review on my blog and on my Instagram. So have a look there and yeah. Hopefully you can see how much I love it. So before we get started with the demo, before we get to my bare face, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and yeah, let's get on with the demo. Okay, so here I am, I've got no base on at all, just got my eye makeup and my eyebrows done. Put this hair up for a bit, just to get it out of the way while we do the base. Already moisturised, all that kind of stuff, and gone in with my primer. So I've used the YSL Blur primer. Just going to get my beauty blender ready and damp. Go in with my YSL All Hours foundation. My shade is BD60, so I'm going to take a full pump. You know, sometimes you get a little bit there, so I'll just put it on my face. But I've just taken a full pump. Then I'm going to take my damp beauty blender. Realised for this process I need a mirror. Okay, damp beauty blender and just place the product on my cheeks. I'm just placing it first and then we'll start to blend. So now it's placed, you can blend and you'll just see like this is so lovely and lightweight. It's so easy to work with. Instantly you'll just notice that my face just looks better, but it's so like lightweight. It's not heavy at all. Matte foundations you normally think are quite heavy, but this is not. So I like to like properly work it into my skin. But can you see, like all of a sudden, doesn't that look so much better? And the best thing is that it's buildable. I'm just going to take half a pump on the back of my hand, because otherwise that bit is just going to get dry on the pump, on the end of your pump. So you must put it on your face. And just go over around this area, because this is where my foundation seems to wear off quite quickly. So my nose and my mouth. And I had a bit of a breakout on my cheek, so I'll just cover that. And then just go back with the damp beauty blender and just blend it in. And this foundation actually works really well with the beauty blender. Some are too lightweight to kind of work with the beauty blender, and this shade is like so perfect for me. It's literally the same shade as my skin, which I love. That's it. That's the review done. It's just so long lasting. I'm just going to add the rest of my makeup and then you can see like how it works with the rest of my makeup. So the foundation is really matte, which I really do like, but I always like to just set my foundation just with a little bit of powder. I'm just a proper powder person. I just feel like it's unfinished and it's just not going to work. But if I don't have powder, but that's kind of in my head. Really, you don't need a lot of powder at all. Like I'm literally just doing my T-zone because it's a really nice matte foundation. The powder's almost kind of like to just set the rest of my like contour and cream blusher, and literally I've hardly got any product on the brush. I'm just using like an empty brush almost, but it just makes me feel like I've set it. So that's basically the whole face done now. Yeah, I think this foundation is so good. You can see my full review on the blog. I've reviewed it on the blog and on my Instagram, but it's such a lovely foundation. Like it has become my new like favourite foundation, my new go-to foundation. It's so nice to wear during the day, on a night out. It really does last like all hours. Like honestly, it lives up to its name. So, and it's matte as well, and it's just so easy to wear and it's so easy to work with. So I hope you found this demonstration useful. You can use your hands, you can use a brush, you can use a beauty blender like I did. Yeah, it's so lovely, and it, honestly, I promise you, it lasts. Just try it and you will just love it. So yeah, that's my review and demo. Hope you liked it.